Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Billy Goat Tales. I am Rich Smothers, aka Crypto Billy. In today's episode of Motivational Mindset series, we're sharing a story that many in the crypto space and beyond will connect with. It's about a man named Robert, whose journey through the ups and the downs chasing wealth led him to lessons that transformed his life. So let's just dive right in. So it's 2022, and Robert is caught up in the meme coin craze. He's in his mid-30s, working a steady desk job that covers the bills but leaves him restless for more. One night, scrolling through social media, he spots a post hyping a new token with promise of skyrocketing gains. This is my shot, he thinks. He pours his entire savings into it, every cent from his emergency fund. The price surges overnight, and Robert's account explodes. He's already dreaming of quitting his job, buying a fancy car, and living the high life. But, as crypto veterans know, what spikes fast can crash faster. Within weeks, the hype dies, the project collapses, and Robert's portfolio is obliterated. Desperate, he sells at a loss, then chases the next hot tip, maxing out his credit cards, even tapping his retirement savings. Meme coin after meme coin, loss after loss. It becomes a spiral. By 2024, Robert's world is crumbling. Debt collectors are relentless. Relationships are fraying. And sleep is a distant memory. Alone in his apartment, staring at the screen full of red, he wonders where it all went and where it all went wrong. At rock bottom, Robert finds a spark of hope. Late one night, he stumbles across an online forum. Not the usual hype-driven trading chat type of thing, but a genuine community of crypto enthusiasts. These folks aren't chasing pumps. They're builders. They're sharers. People who stick together through market storms. Robert lurks at first, soaking up posts about disciplined strategies like dollar cost averaging, investing small, consistent amounts into assets like Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, no matter the market's ups and downs. But the conversations go deeper, touching on showing up consistently, treating others with respect in trades and talks, and trusting that steady efforts lead somewhere meaningful. Robert takes a leap and he joins in. He shares his story anonymously, laying bare his mistakes to everyone. To his surprise, the group responds with support, not scorn. We've been there. One member writes, we've been there. Focus on Bitcoin, build habits. Another shares how they turn things around by sticking to long-term investments and surrounding themselves with positive people. Robert starts engaging daily, asking questions, sharing insights. The group hosts virtual meetups all the time, discussing everything from blockchain fundamentals to personal growth. How to bounce back from setbacks, how to lead by example in your own life. Bit by bit, Robert rebuilds. He embraces dollar cost averaging, putting small amounts into Bitcoin regularly, researching its history as a decentralized store of value. But the deeper change is internal. He builds habits, daily routines like reviewing his goals, reflecting on what truly matters, staying connected with the group. Through these bonds, he learned about keeping promises, even in small things like honoring a trade or supporting a member's idea. He finds strength in persistence, pushing through fear when price dips. And quietly, he feels a growing trust, a sense that his efforts are part of something bigger. By 2027, Robert's finances are on solid ground. His Bitcoin holdings, built steadily over years, are growing as the asset matures. He's out of debt, breathing a lot easier. But what lifts him most is the lightness in his heart. Laughter returns. He reconnects with friends. He starts a family. The community becomes his foundation. People who share wins and weather losses together. Robert gives back, mentoring new members, stressing that the real success goes beyond charts. Now, it's 2035. Robert, he's in his 50s, sitting on a porch outside a home he owns outright. His Bitcoin investments, well, they nurtured through patience and discipline, have compounded into financial security that will last for generations. Enough to travel, give to causes that he values, but the true wealth, it's the love around him. A partner who shares his journey, kids who admire him, friends from the community that feel like family. His days brim with contentment and quiet joy. No meme coin could ever deliver. Robert knows that wealth isn't about quick riches. It's about building something lasting, one step at a time, with the right people beside of you. That's Robert's story, a reminder that in crypto or in life, the best investments are the ones that endure. If this hits home for you, drop a like, subscribe for more, and share your own stories in the comments. Until next time, keep building.